Come on, focus on the numbers, not on the TV. Ajik, baby. Baby. Focus on your numbers now. Next. Last one. Good job. Oh, you count the numbers na. You count the number nga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Letter E.
L.
Huh? L. What's that?
E.
E. Good job. Oh, next. Letter H. You try letter H. This one. You write letter H. H. What's that?
naman yan.
H.
A. Oh, that's letter A eh. Nagkadikit. Letter H.
Yan.
Good job.
H. Cow.
Yay!
Yay!
Good job. Oh, letter Q. Oh, that's letter Q. Properly, huh? Yes. Good job. That's letter Q. What about letter T? T. Yes. T. Macy, again. Properly. Write it properly.
Okay.
Oh, good job! Ang galing naman ni Aldric. Oh, next. What letter?
Dito naman. O,
Dito sa baba. Dito sa baba. Here. Dito.
Letter.
Letter H. Oh. H. Good job naman. Letter D, as in dog.
Yay!
Ang galing naman talaga.
Wow. Panda.
What's that? Is that a face?
Yay.
Macy.
Wow.
Macy. Wow. What's that?
Lip.
Leaves.
Lip.
Lagyan mo ng hair. Lagyan mo ng hair. Tignan mo nga, lagyan ng hair. Yan. Isa lang yung hair. Isa lang yung hair. O, lagyan mo nga ng ears. Isa ng ears. Yan. Good job naman si Ivy.
D. I think it.
O, Emmanuel. Okay, go on, son. Z-O-N.
Aldrich, what's this? What's this one? This one, what's this?
Baba.
Chin. What is chin?
O, yung kay Tito Raybin. Ano yung kay Tito Raybin?
Touch me in Balbas. What's this? What's that?
Baba. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, blow. Come on. Blow, blow. Blow, blow. Blow. Blow, blow. Blow mo yung candle. Oh, you sing again, you sing again. Ayaw mo blow eh. Sige, game.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, blow, blow, blow. Come on. Blow. One more. Help ka ni tita. Come on. Blow, blow. Don't touch, ha? Small B, eh. Wow.
W. W.
This one, oh.
W.
Small. Okay, next.
This one, X.
Sige ba?
This one X.
Yan na lang.
Oh, yan na lang. Sige, yan na lang. This one, oh.
Asan? No, what's yours?
Plus
Ah, plus ba yan?
Tita,
Ay,
tayo.
plus ba to? Plus?
Oo,
Oo
tita,
nga,
plus.
plus nga to. Hindi siya X. O, sige, sige.
There, ayun!
Ayun, o, sige. Ah, okay.
Tita, hindi mo
Okay.
Oh,
Next.
Y.
Ito.
Why?
Faster daw. Eyes. Faster, faster. Dito ka. Dito ka. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, careful, careful. Dito ka na maghanap ng A. Ayun, ang daming A. Next. Next. L. Oh, where's letter L? May letter L pa ba tayo?
Ayun!
Ah, yan. Sige, yan na lang. Small L.
Sira!
Oh, it's okay. Pwede na yan. Daisy? Nga.
Nandun po.
Oh, sige, Guanzon pa nga. Oh, sige, kulang.
Dito na sa baba yung gold.
Dito.
Oh, sige, dyan. Oh, sige, go.
Yes, yan.
U. Oh, where's letter U?
Ito na lang yung
Yan.
next.
A. Oh, asa ng A?
A. Ito yung A. Ayan na.
Ayan, meron pa.
Okay. And next. Oh.
Ah, what's next? Oh, what's next? Guanzon? N. Okay, where's letter N?
Ayun!
Next?
Hindi.
Z. Oh, good job. Oh, next? O. Where's letter O?
Ayun.
Ah, ayan na pala.
Ang.
Oh, N. Where's letter N?
Ano yung N
Pwede na yan.
You.
It's okay, okay na.
It's okay, N yan. Oh, pwede yan.
And
Okay.
I.
Wow, good job naman.
Ay, spell mo na. Ay, spell na.
C-A-L-E-O-I-C-K.
Alex.
Next na, dito na. Dito na, dito na.
I-C-K.
Next.
E.
Okay.
E-M-M. A.
A. Okay.
You.
A. Oh, sige. A. Papa na A. Okay, next.
Next.
A.
Oh. Next. N. Oh.
And
Apa na yung N?
Ano yan? U. Oh, next.
E.
Okay.
L.
L. Next. G.
U.
U.
A.
A.
Going at the eye.
N.
N.
D.
C.
O.
O.
N.
Yay! Letters naman. What's that? A.
R.
Okay, next.
A.
Next.
E. U.
O. Next.
Ayos.
Ayos mo muna. Sige.
R. A. E. U. O.
Ano? A.
O. E. U. U.
O.
A. 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 O. U.
Good job.
Ayos.
Uno. Asan ang uno? Ayos mo.
Uno. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Cinco.
Louder.
Seis. Siete. Ocho. Ten.
Basta.
Nueve. Ano yung last?
Thirty.
Jeff.
Set.
O, ulitin mo. Uno.
Again daw, again. Again.
Again.
Uno.
Abaca.
No.
Uno. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Cinco. Seis. Siete. Ocho.
Nueve.
11.
Yes.
10.
Cheese. O,
Eight.
ganyan letter O. O, okay. Okay, good job. Next. Next.
Maarte na.
Kanina, ang bilis eh.
Oo. Tsaka pangit na sulit niya.
L. M. N.
Pinagsusiksigan na niya. Yes.
S.
T. U.
W. X. Y. Z. Kita niyo yung Y?